Hi everyone, today's video is about question number 24 from 2019 Standard Maths exam. This question came from the topic of rates, and if we go on the StudyNinja matrix, study matrix, this one is from the section of 5.1.4. This is question type 4, which I have categorized as a certain type of question which are moderate in difficulty. So let's open this. And we go to question number 24 in 2019 exam. The question has given you, is telling you Amanda uses 80 kilocalories of energy for every kilometer she's running. So it's giving you a rate, 80 kilocalories per kilometer. That's the rate, right? Then they're telling that if she eats a burger that contains 2,180 kilojoules of energy, how many kilometers that she need to run to use up all the energy from the burger. So let's take the question out and break it into pieces and then solve it. The first problem you're facing over here is, let's first list down what are we given. So the burning rate is 80 kilocalorie per kilometer, and burger contains 2,180 kilojoules. So to solve this question, you first need to convert either of these at least into the same base. This one is in kilojoules, this one is in kilocalories. So to know how many kilometers you need to run, at least we need to convert this first into how many kilocalories that she has taken. Once we know how many calories she has taken, we can then work out that how many kilometers she needs to run to burn those calories. So first we need to work out how many calories are there in 2,180 kilojoules. And you're given the rate of conversion here, that 1 calorie has 4.184 kilojoules. So if one has these many, 1 kilocalorie has 4.184 kilojoules, then 2,180 kilojoules will have a smaller number because 1 kilocalorie has 4 times kilojoules. So we divide this by 4.184. That will give us 521.03 kilocalories. So she has taken a burger which has these many kilocalories. Now we can work out how many kilometers she will need to run, because every kilometer she's burning 80. So if you divide 521 by 80, you will know how many kilometers she needs to run. So she would need to run 521.03 divided by 80 is equal to almost 6.5 kilometers.